Maayong buntag. 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 Maayong udto. Maayong udto. Maayong udto. Maayong hapon. 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 Maayong gabi. Maayong gabi. Maayong gabi. Maayong gabi.
Kumusta mo? Ako si Kier, taga Cebu. Nagpuyo ko sa Talisay City. Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, magkuyo ko sa akong mga barkada ug magsuroy-suroy mi. Ganahan pud ko mutanaw og sine. Usahay, muadto pud mi og beach. Nindot kaayo sa beach.
Kainomdom na mo? Kainomdom na mo? This means, do you guys remember? Padayon ta. This means, let's continue. Padayon ta. Volume 1, Episode 4. Usahay. It means sometimes.
Usahay, muadto pud mi og beach. Nindot kaayo sa beach. Usahay, muadto pud mi og beach. Nindot kaayo sa beach. Usahay, muadto pud mi og beach. Nindot kaayo sa beach.
Usahay, moadto pud mi og beach. This means sometimes we also go to the beach. Usahay means sometimes. Moadto means go. Pud, as mentioned in our previous episode, it means also or to. Then me is us or we, and og is the connector. Then beach is the same as beach. Usahay, moadto pud mi og beach. Now, it's your turn. Say it.
Usahay, muadto pud mi og beach. Usahay, muadto pud mi og beach. Usahay, muadto pud mi og beach. Usahay, muadto pud mi og beach.
Usahay, moadto pud mi og beach. Usahay, moadto pod mi og beach. Come on, say it. It's easy. Kainomdom mo? This means, do you guys remember? Usahay, moadto pod ko og beach. Usahay, moadto pod ka og beach. You know that? Usahay, moadto pod ta og beach. I'm sure you know what it means. Okay, and we have here, usahay, moadto pod sila og beach. Remember the previous episode? Usahay, moadto pod siya og beach. So this means sometimes he or she also goes to the beach. Usahay, moadto pod si Kier og beach. Usahay, moadto pod silang Kier og Mitch sa beach. Now here, og is the same as og and sa. Now don't be confused because you might be thinking, oh, I thought og means end. And og is a connector. Now og, and sa are the same in this case because some people prefer saying moadto ko sa beach while others say moadto ko og beach. Others spell it this way, moadto ko og beach. In this case, og doesn't mean end, okay? So it's just like the sa. So don't confuse yourselves. It's just like that. Just be with it, okay? It's as easy as that. Moadto ko sa beach, moadto ko og beach, moadto ko og beach.
Nakasabot mo?
Dali ra kayo no.
Kamo na pod.
Sulay ninyo, dali ra kayo.
Of course, it's easy. Usahay, moadto pod ko og beach. Now, say it. Come on, it's easy. Come on.
Usahay, moadto pod mi og beach.
Padayon ta? Padayon ta? Sige.
Usahay, moadto pod mi og beach. Nindot kaayo sa beach. Nindot kaayo sa beach. Nindot kaayo sa beach. Nindot kaayo sa beach. Nakasabot mo?
Dali ra kayo no.
Nindot kaayo sa beach. Nindot kaayo sa beach. Nindot kaayo. Remember, kaayo means much or very. Nindot means nice or awesome or fantastic or impressive. Nindot kaayo is a very, very common expression in the sign language. Whenever people hear something like a beautiful music or a beautiful song, then they say, oh, nindot kaayo. If they see a beautiful restaurant or a beautiful place, then you can say, nindot kaayo. Nindot kaayo. If you like the movie that you watched in cinemas, then you can say, nindot kaayo. If you like something like a new cell phone or an iPhone or Android or a tablet, iPod, and it's being featured on the internet, it's being advertised everywhere, then you can say, oh, nindot kaayo. A place, beach, a dress, a shirt, a computer, anything that's new, a gadget, the technology, all those stuff, designs or colors, everything, that's anything that catches your attention and impresses you, then you can say nindot kaayo. Nindot kaayo. So if you like something like let's say a trip, you can also say nindot kaayo. If you like the sky, if you like the beach, if you like the picture, it's a very common expression. So you can use it anytime. It's very, very convenient. Nindot kaayo. Like for example, V Avenue. You like it? Then you can say nindot kaayo in V Avenue. So we have here some examples which are very useful. Take a look at this one. You can say nindot kaayo sa Europe. Nindot kaayo sa Europe. Nindot kayo sa Disneyland. Nindot kayo sa Channel 6. Nindot kayo sa Brazil. Nindot kayo sa Brazil. By adding the place like sa, and then the name of the place, plus coming after nindot kayo, then that's how you say it. Okay?
Nakasabot mo?
Dali ra kayo no.
Okay, let's hear it again from Kier.
Usahay, muadto pud mi og beach. Nindot kayo sa beach. Usahay, muadto pud mi og beach. Nindot kayo sa beach. Usahay, muadto pud mi og beach. Nindot kayo sa beach.
Okay, so I think you got that. So this time, we're going to remove the subtitles, okay? Padayon ta? Let's do it.
Usahay, muadto pud mi og beach. Nindot kayo sa beach. Usahay, muadto pud mi og beach. Nindot kayo sa beach. Usahay, muadto pud mi og beach. Nindot kayo sa beach. Usahay, muadto pud mi og beach. Nindot kayo sa beach.
Baliko na to tanang gisulti ni Kier. Okay, that was fast. I'll say it slowly. Balikon nato tanang gisulti ni Kier. This means let's go back to the part where Kier said everything. Or, that translation was too literal, okay? So, by thought, this means let's have a recap and listen to everything that Kier said. Okay? So we're going to break it down. Balikon, take a look at this sentence, okay? Balikon means to return, to recap, review. Nato means us or we. Now don't confuse yourselves, okay? I'm going to explain nato in another episode, okay? So just put it in your mind. Tanang means everything. Gisulti means being said or what was said. Ni is used when the next word is a person's name. So, or, like this one, ni Kier, by Kier. So, ni actually means by in this sentence. So, when you say, baliko nato tanang gisulti ni Kier, it means let's have a recap and let's recap or let's review everything that Kier said. Got that? Again, baliko nato tanang gisulti ni Kier. Baliko nato tanang gisulti ni Kier. Put that in your mind, okay? You can use this. Baliko nato tanang gisulti ni Kier.
Nakasabot mo?
Dali ra kayo no.
Kamo na pud.
Sulay ninyo, dali ra kayo.
Let's recap everything that Kier said.
Nakasabot mo?
Dali ra kayo no.
Baliko nato tanang gisulti ni Kier. So if you change that into a question, then if I change it into a question, so it means I'm asking you like, shall we have a recap? Baliko nato tanang gisulti ni Kier.
Kumusta mo? Ako si Kier, taga Cebu. Nagpuyo ko sa Talisay City. Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, magkuyo ko sa akong mga barkada ug magsuroy-suroy mi. Ganahan pud ko mutanaw og sine. Usahay, muadto pud mi og beach. Nindot kayo sa beach.
Usba. Now what is this? Usba means repeat. Be is like an informal way of saying please. But I'll tell you in another episode how to say please in a formal way. So for now, just try to get this one. Usbabi, this means please repeat it. Please repeat it.
Kumusta mo? Ako si Kier, taga Cebu. Nagpuyo ko sa Talisay City. Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, magkuyo ko sa akong mga barkada ug magsuroy-suroy mi. Ganahan pud ko mutanaw og sine. Usahay, muadto pud mi og beach. Nindot kayo sa beach.
Kumusta mong tanan? Ako si Mitch, taga Cebu. Nagpuyupod ko sa Talisay City. Gatrabaho sa Pagila Studios, isip sa ka-host. Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, ganahan ko magsuroy-suroy kuyog ako mga barkada. Ganahan pud ko mutana og sine. Usahay, mag-video kay pud ko. Nindot kay mag-video kay.
Okay, so now I think everybody knows what Kier said. And hopefully it's in your heart. Because what's important about learning a language is getting the heart of it. And now we have here, the things that we learned today in this episode. We have usahay, moadto pud mi og beach, nindot kay sa beach. So sometimes we also go to the beach. It's really nice at the beach. It's really nice at the beach. So try saying that. Try practicing that in front of the mirror. And, open your mouth properly. Saying, usahay, moadto pud mi og beach. Nindot kay sa beach. Usahay, moadto pud mi og beach. Nindot kayo sa beach.
Lingaw kaayo sa?
Lingaw kayo, nakasabot man mo no.
Basta practice lang jud mo. Ang importante ani kay magsige lang gitag padayon og practice ug maminaw mo sa mga ubang tao nga magstorya og binisaya.
Aron makuha ra sa iyong utok ang impormasyon ug maanad mo og paminaw sa mga tao nga nagistorya og binisaya,
Magkita-kita ta balik ari lang sa V Avenue. Magbinisaya ta.
For more information, you may like us on Facebook. Just simply go to facebook.com/VisayasAvenue. Thank you so much for joining us today.